Yo guys, it's Preston, and today we're back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Royal Kludge keyboard, which is basically the Rk61. And I got this for $40. Well, as you can see, I got blue switches, and I'm going to change them out with Halo Panda. So yeah, let's unbox this, and yeah. Okay, so first off, you have the keyboard, obviously, and you get five extra keycaps and a keycap puller. And let's see the keyboard. Alright, so the keyboard looks nice. So let's do a typing test. Alright, so yeah, it sounds good. Back here we get the wire, the USB-C wire. So yeah, let's plug it in and see how good it is. Alright guys, so here's the startup animation. So yeah. So the how to control it is F and delete. Let's turn off the lights real quick. And I have a little light behind me, so it's not so bright. So let's just go. That's just standard. Here is breathing. Just the normal, and you can get the full RGB one. I would recommend the full RGB because my friend has it. It's really good. But if you just want it cheap, if you want $5 cheaper, just get the blue. I really like this one. I've been using this one recently. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's get these keycaps taken off though. And yeah, I'm gonna put a time lapse, and after school I'm gonna be getting the halos. So yeah.
In the video I said Halo, I meant holy, because obviously it's the holy pandas. I kept saying Halo though, I don't know why, but yeah, just know I meant holy panda switches.
So we got them. Alright, let's see how good they look. Let's move this. We got the holy panda, bro. No way. Alright, let me see how they sound in real life, because obviously they're gonna sound different. So this is the holy panda. I'm gonna start the time lapse, and yeah. So this is what the Panda Switch is. It has a 0.67 milligram touch speed, and yeah, let's get these keycaps on and back to the time lapse. Yeah, but she went to our school.
Alright, so I added a little wet tissue paper to just make this sound better and hear it. So yeah.